In this video, I'll guide you through the process of creating a bus in FL Studio. Buses are an efficient way to group and process multiple sounds at once, which can save time and make mixing easier. Let's start by opening the mixer in FL Studio. You can find the mixer by pressing F9 on your keyboard or clicking on the mixer icon at the top of the screen. Once the mixer is open, you'll see a series of tracks labelled as inserts. To create a bus, we'll first rename one of these inserts to make it easier to identify. Select any insert that's not in use. Let's say Insert 1. Right-click on it, choose Rename and Color, and name it anything you want. You can also assign a color if you want to keep your project visually organized. Now, let's link other inserts to this bus. Select Insert 2, which might already be routed to the master channel by default. To reroute it, look at the small arrows at the bottom of the mixer. These icons represent routing connections. To unlink Insert 2 from the master channel, simply click on this small arrow above the dial. Now, to send Insert 2 to Insert 1, click the small arrow under Insert 1 while Insert 2 is selected. This links Insert 2 to Insert 1. Next, we'll do the same for Insert 3. Click on Insert 3 to select it, then route it to Insert 1 by clicking the arrow. If you want more flexibility, you can create parallel routing. For example, let's say you want Insert 3 to go both to Insert 1 and directly to the master channel. To do this, while Insert 3 is selected, click the arrows for both the main bus and the master channel. This creates a dual route, giving you options for different sound processing. Once everything is routed to your main bus, you can add effects like EQ, compression, or reverb to the bus itself. This applies the same processing to all the linked tracks, making it easier to manage their sound collectively. And that is it. Thanks for watching.